we're gonna see what happens when you throw a grasshopper at a
Spider web.
A garden spider web. Now let's watch it in slow motion. The white web is maybe so birds don't wreck the webs, so like they don't have to keep on rebuilding it. It's a female garden spider. It eats mosquitoes, flies, aphids, and grasshoppers. Don't kill it, not dangerous to humans or pets or weaver. So it's getting its silk from its ottoman and putting it around it. And then it bites it with its venom, so make sure it's dead. And then it's breakfast. Remember, don't kill her. Let her do her thing. Nature Guy out.